Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Elena Vibes, and in today's video I will be installing this lace front wig by Nikiss Hair, which you can find on Amazon. I'll be taking you step by step as I bleach the knots, install the wig, and also style and give you the rundown on my favorite specs. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so I just had to jump right in with these mink lashes that are included for free. Love them. Quality, amazing. Before we go any further, I would like to give a huge shout out to Nikiss Hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. So to help the lace blend in more seamlessly with my skin, I'm just going to go ahead and lighten the knots or bleach the knots of the lace. I'm using my Clairol Professional products. I have my level 20 developer as well as the lightening powder. I just let this sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, and as you guys see, the knots are lightened perfectly. I think this is the best job I've ever done with lightening knots. So naturally this wig is jet black, but I decided last minute to lighten the area around the frame of my face just to add a little pop of color. Now I'm just trimming the lace off of the back and the front of the wig. I can't cut the lace while it's glued on my face. I haven't reached that level yet. So just to keep everything neat and to keep any flyaways out of the glue, I used a water bottle just to get the hair damp, and now I'm combing everything back and clipping them up with some alligator clips and different clamps. And boom, we love a simple, clean, seamless, effortless install, you guys. Like, let's work smarter and not harder. So for the next time that I install this wig, I will be plucking the hairline just a bit more, and I will be lightening the hair in the back as well. Now for the baby hairs, I decided to do a little bit of a dramatic look with the baby hairs, but if you watch until the end, you will see that I show you the option where I install this wig without any baby hairs, and y'all, the hair looks like it is coming up out of my scalp, okay? Like, it came out amazing. I love the lace on this wig. It is thin, it's not bulky, and it was really easy for me to lighten the knots. So I think the quality of the actual lace on this wig is great. So now I just decided to do a little quick style, something different, something quick and easy. I did 3 to 4 twists going back just until the end of where the lace stops. This is a 13 by 6, so the twist went about 4 to 6 inches back. Thought it was cute, something different. Okay, so the baby hairs are cute, but without. Just a quick tip before we close this video out, definitely pick up the VO5 Strawberries and Cream Moisturizing Conditioner from your local pharmacy, drugstore, or Dollar Tree. You guys, it works wonders with these curls. Check out my description below for the link to this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.